Hi everyone, Shalini this side. Well, today I am here to share the strategies connected with the concept of creating an important content which would enhance your speaking as well as writing abilities. It has been observed that most of the times we have a lot of ideas coming up in our mind about a specific topic, but we are unsure of the ways how to organize those ideas into a meaningful topic or content. Firstly, I will explain the steps to create an excellent theme, followed by two examples. By following these three steps, you can create your content or topic in an organized and accurate manner. So, here we go. Initially, we are beginning with basic introduction or outline of the topic. In other words, a sort of definition or what is the role of a science topic in accordance with the present situation. As we move forward, we will talk in detail about the pros and cons of the given topic. You could also say its supporting details or supporting ideas. Moving on to the last step, we will talk about conclusion or recommendations about the relevant topic. Therefore, let's begin with an example. I always focus on the keywords of the particular topic to my students. For instance, our topic is my device. So, concerning with this, we are getting the keywords advancement, technology, significant role, day to day activities, online shopping, a way to stay connected with people, maintaining records, online learning platform, and massive amount of data can be stored and many more. Furthermore, excessive use leads to many health issues. In conclusion, you can also add effective allocation of time should be there to maintain mental, social and emotional well-being of an individual. Next, our example is processed food or junk food. Whenever it is asked, children usually talk about burger, pasta, momos, related with that, but now it's the time to come out of the box. So, our keywords of this topic will be easy to make, looks appealing, inexpensive, tastes good, quick meal, readily available, moreover, a meal loaded with loads of calories and preservatives, less nutrients, health issues like obesity, blood sugar, balanced diet, full of nutrients and vitamins. Make an effort to follow all these practices or techniques to create your speaking or writing matter in precise, appropriate, and sequential order. This pattern will definitely work, or when you think, follow, and implement such ideas. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon with my upcoming videos with latest concepts of day to day life. Bye.